Dear parent, I'd like to share something valuable with you, which made a lasting impression on me. In turn, you may wish to share it with your children. It happened in 1964 when I was still a young boy attending primary school in Lydenburg, Mpumalanga. I went to town with my dad. He parked in front of H.L. Weeks, a general dealer that existed at the time. Through his blue eyes, my dad looked at me and he said the following. And he said it in a tone that spoke directly to my heart. My son, remember to go through life in such a way that, should you have to go back in your tracks in the future, that you are able to look everyone in the eye without shame. For the rest of my life, this had a huge impact on me. We have to walk tall. Please share this truth with your children. I wish you success with your parenting journey.